So the next topic is EMF equation of a transformer. So we have discussed the working principle of the transformer based on that diagram. You can say that one, let N1 is the number of turns in primary winding, N2 is number of turns in secondary winding, phi m is the maximum flux in the core. Whatever the flux induced or produced in the core, in that one, how much the maximum flux is produced in the core. And F is the frequency of AC input in hertz. Whatever the input supply we are providing for the primary, in that primary supply providing, what is the frequency of that one? The same frequency we should have to expect and we should have to get in the output of the secondary winding. So considering this waveform, the AC alternating current waveforms here, the flux waveform we are going to consider here now. So at the initial condition after giving the supply means 0, then by slightly increasing the supply, the flux linkage or flux will be increases here now. So during the time at 0 time, that flux will be 0. Lightly I will increase the time, then the flux will also increases. So the to complete one cycle, the time period is 1 by f we are going to consider here. The time period t equal to t is we are going to consider. Complete one cycle, it is nothing but t. T is nothing but time period here. And number of cycles per second equal to frequency, that is. So t equal to 1 by f or f equal to, is it visible? Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
So due to a network issue that have happened. So the whatever the time it will take to complete one cycle, that is time period we are going to call that. So according to the definition of the frequency is number of cycles per second we are going to consider. Is nothing but time only we are going to consider. F equal to 1 by t we can write, or t equal to 1 by f. T equal to 1 by f or f equal to 1 by t, both are same only here now. So total time to complete one cycle, t equal to 1 by f we can call that here. And to complete the half cycle of that one, it is 1 by 2f we can write here at this point. Here 0 to here is 1 by 2f, and here 1 by 4f. So this is complete one cycle. The middle half of that one is this one, so half, this is the half cycle, and the quarter cycle is this one here now, half of the half cycle here now. So the time taken to complete to reach the maximum flux in the core, it is 1 by 4f we are going to call that one here now. T equal to 1 by 4f, it will, the flux will increases or reaches to its maximum value here now. That is maximum value, the flux phi m is, it has taken one quarter cycle here now.
सर आवाज आ रहा है मधुन मधुन
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है क्या? हेलो,
हाँ बीच बीच में लैग हो रहा है सर
एक मिनट,
ये सर अभी भी लैग हो रहा
अभी बराबर है?
है यस
Okay, my mobile aside. So the one quarter cycle it will take to reach the flux into maximum value here now, that is phi m it will reaches here now. So as shown in the above figure, the flux increases from its zero value to maximum, zero से maximum increase होने के लिए in one quarter cycle, quarter of the cycle here now. This is the quarter cycle, one quarter cycle, two quarter cycle, three and four quarter cycle. Four quarter cycle हमने joint किया तो one complete cycle we are going to call that one here now. So the value of that is, the flux is 1 by 4f seconds we can write here now. So average rate of change of flux equal to rate of change of flux. It is here different, here different, here different, here different. So average of that one we can tell that one phi m divided by 1 by 4f. This is 1 by 4f is time here now. The half quarter of time it is nothing but we are going to consider here now. Suppose 100 members are there, so 100 members they will daily they will earn that one, everyone they will earn 10 rupees. So 100 into 10, how much?
1,000.
1000 rupees. So 1000 rupees we are earning. Maximum flux is 1000. So divide into 100 members. This is the 100 time period. Na? Dividing that one, we can tell that one average, we can consider that one. So average rate of change of flux equal to 5m. So here 100 members are, one person is earning 5 rupees, another person earning 15 rupees, 10 rupees, like that. So 1000 divided by 100 kiya to 10 aa jayega. 10 is average. Like that we can calculate the total maximum value, total value here now, and divided by whatever the time it is taken here now. So like that we are considering here the average rate of change of flux equal to 5m divided by 1 by 4f. 5m divided by 1 by 4f. So 1 by 4f we can send to numerator. This one.
Yes,
X
sir.
divided by 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 2x only, na? X divided by 1 by 2 is nothing but 2x only. So here this 4f will be multiplied into 5m. So 4f 5m we can write here now. 4f 5m. So this one you write as a equation number. We are considering. Don't take this one. I will dictate later. This one I will consider as equation number 1 here now. Next, what we have to do? Now rate of change of flux per turn. Actually, the EMF is depends on the flux linkage. Yes or no? Flux linkage, it is dependent. Here we have to consider the average rate of change of flux we have considered. We have to link with number of turns. Na? This flux we have to link with number of turns. Then it will act as a flux linkage. But what they are telling, instead of multiplication n, they are considering n equal to 1 here now. Per turn is nothing but 1 turn here now. N equal to 1 they are considering. Next sentence. Now rate of change of flux per turn. एक टर्न मीन्स इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ इन वोल्ट. ईएमएफ इंड्यूस हो जाएगा ना, वन टर्न को कितना इंड्यूस हो जाएगा, दैट वन यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट हियर नो. सो एवरेज ईएमएफ per turn, we are not considering n turns here now. Per turn means n equal to 1. One turn we are considering here now. So that is n equal to 1. N 5 we are writing here. So this is the 5. Equation number 1 is the 5 here now. So n is 1 here now. So 4f 5m volts we are going to, we can write directly here. समझ में आ रहा है? This is flux n equal to 1. The flux link EMF induced equal to n5. Flux linkage को depend है ना, n5 कर सकते. n is 1 and 5 is this one we are writing here now. 4f 5m volts we are going to write here now. So the average value we are telling here now, average EMF per turn here now. So whatever the in our houses we are going to get the voltage, current, that is RMS voltage we are going to call that one. RMS current we are going to call that one. RMS value is nothing but root mean square values we are going to consider here. Whatever the AC supply voltages are there, all are in the form of RMS only, root mean square value only. So we have to convert this average EMF per turn into RMS value. So for that reason, what we have to do, if the flux varies sinusoidally, then the RMS value of induced EMF is obtained by multiplying the form factor. Form factor actually it will comes under third unit. Third unit will discuss about the AC term, form factor, peak factor, alternating current, voltage, everything we will discuss in the third unit. But the formula for the form factor is RMS value divided by average value here now. Form factor equal to RMS value divided by average value, and the form factor will be always 1.11. Form factor will be always 1.11 here now. So RMS value divided by average value equal to 1.11. We can write like this. Hello? Is it
Yes,
audible?
sir.
RMS value divided by average value equal to 1.11. Yes? Form factor equal to 1.11. So from this one, from this equation, we can write RMS value equal to 1.11 into average value. Yes, from this formula. RMS value
Yes,
equal
sir.
to 1.11 into average value we can write down. What is the average value here? Already we have calculated here. This is the average VMF per turn here now. So RMS value equal to 1.11 into this. It is nothing but 4.44 F5M per turn it is. Whatever the RMS value per turn. If number of turns, I don't know exact turns. So instead of per turn, only we can write down RMS value of EMF induced equal to 4.44 F5M into N लिख देने का. N may be 1, 2, 3 and all that one. That is our EMF equation we are going to call here now. See here. RMS value of induced EMF per turn equal to 1.11 into average turn per average EMF per turn. This one equal to 4F5M we already derived from the equation number 2. So multiplication of 1.11 into 4, it is nothing but 4.44 F5M. So now RMS value of induced EMF in the whole primary winding. Whole primary winding is nothing but whole winding we are considering here now. So E1 equal to 4.44 F5M and primary में N1 turns रहते. Primary में number of turns which one? N1. Secondary में
N2.
N2. So this is EMF induced in the primary. Similarly, we can write down same flux is linked with the secondary also. We can tell that one E2 equal to we can say that one E2 equal to 4.44 F5M N2 here now. Only N1 and N2 terms will become change here now. Other things are same here now. So RMS value of the EMF induced in secondary winding equal to RMF value of the this one number of turns in the secondary, they have multiplied that one. Here we can write here N2. So based on this one equation, you will get the problems also. Sometimes they will not give flux. Instead of flux, they will give the area and they will give the flux density. So phi equal to what formula?
BA.
BA. So here phi m is there. That one we can consider phi m is means nothing what? Maximum flux. So phi m equal to BMA we can write down.
Yes, sir.
BM is nothing but maximum flux density. For the maximum flux, it is maximum flux density, we can call that one. And area of that one here now. So this is the formula for the EMF induced in the primary or single phase transformer here. This is the derivation. If the offline exam was there, then this derivation was the 100% question. Fixed question ये है. इसके ऊपर एक तो क्वेश्चन हम कंपल्सरी आने वाला है. Offline में है तो 100% the question will arise or comes. This is the only derive the EMF equation of a single phase transformer or a one problem on this one. Any one question is 200% it was fixed. Now it is an online exam. I don't know about that one. So they may ask some only formula related and some value they will give some values. You have to calculate the other things and you can write down over there. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, note down that. Have you taken the heading?
Yes, sir.
Hello, yes?
Yes, sir.
Have taken the heading? Then you write down, next line you write down, let N1 equal to number of turns, N1 equal to number of turns in primary, N1 equal to number of turns in primary. Next line, N2 equal to number of turns in secondary. N2 equal to number of turns in secondary. Phi m equal to, phi m is the maximum flux in core. Phi m is the maximum flux in the core, in Webers. In Weber. F is the frequency of AC input F is the frequency of AC input in hertz. In hertz. SZ you write down in hertz. Next one. Capital T you write down. Capital T equal to time period in seconds. Capital T equal to time period in seconds. Full point. You take this diagram now. ये डायग्राम ले लो, कंप्लीट होने के बाद मेरे को इन्फॉर्म करो. नेक्स्ट लाइन में ये डायग्राम ले लो. टेक दिस डायग्राम and after completing the diagram just let me know. Don't post the roll number in chat box. I'll take the attendance in the last. I will take the attendance. So don't post the roll number in chat box. Don't post anything in the chat box. Roll number 37.
Yes, sir.
Don't post your roll number in the chat box. कितना बार पोस्ट करते हो? भी 4 बार लिखने का होगा क्या डायग्राम?
नहीं सर, चालू है.
Okay, after completing this, you will let me know. Simple derivation actually, but it is very important. In the single phase transformer, there is no topic is there. Once they have to ask the, even in the on the construction also, they will not ask much more. Working principle and derivation is important here now. How much time it will take to draw that one?
Complete, sir.
Hmm?
Complete.
In 2 minutes you can complete that one here. I will draw like this and you write like this and you mention here as a T this one completely, and here you mark that one directly. T equal to 1 by 4f. Here flux लिखने का. Simply you people are wasting the time then. Okay, leave that one. Over. All of you have taken this diagram. I told you to only
Yes,
take the
sir.
diagram. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next line you write down. Next line. From the above figure, from the above figure, it is observed that from the above figure it is observed that observed that flux increases from the above figure it is observed that flux increases from its zero value to maximum value, to maximum value. In bracket you write down phi m. maximum value के बाद you write down bracket में phi m लिखो. phi m bracket complete in 1/4 of the cycle. 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 That is 1 by 4f. 1 by 4f. 1 by 4f seconds. 1 by 4f seconds. Full point. Next line I write down. Therefore, average rate of change of flux equal to average rate of change of flux equal to phi m divided by 1 by 4f. 1 by 4f. Next line again you write down average rate of change of flux equal to 4f phi m. 4f phi m. इसको बॉक्स करो, बॉक्स में लिख दो एंड यू राइट दिस वन एज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Equation number you write down and its unit is Weber per second also you can write down, or volt also you can call that one. Here this is the unit of flux is Weber. This is the time period. Time means second only. So Weber per second we can write down, or volt we can write down here now. You write this is equation number 1 here now. Over.
Yes.
Okay. Next line. Now, comma. Now you write down and give the comma. Now, comma. Rate of change of flux. Now, comma. Rate of change of flux. Rate of change of flux per turn. Write down rate of change of flux per turn. In bracket you write down. In bracket per turn के बाद in bracket run n equal to 1. 1, n equal to 1, bracket close, bracket close, bracket close, continue, means induced EMF in volts, induced EMF in volts, induced EMF in volts. Full point. Full point. Next line. Therefore, average EMF, average EMF, average EMF per turn, average EMF per turn equal to, average EMF per turn equal to 4f phi m, average average EMF per turn equal to 4f phi m volts. In this one, you write in the box mein likho, and write this one as equation number 2. Write this one as equation number 2. Equation number 2. Over. Over.
Yes.
So equation number 1 is over, 2 and over. Now, next line. If flux varies, if flux phi, if flux phi varies sinusoidally, 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 comma, then the RMS value, the RMS value of, then the RMS value of induced EMF is, then the RMS value of induced EMF is, the RMS value of induced EMF is obtained by RMS value of the induced EMF is obtained by multiplying the form factor, obtained by multiplying the form factor, multiplying the form factor, multiplying the form factor. Full point. Next line. We know that form factor equal to, form factor equal to RMS value divided by average value, RMS value divided by average value, RMS value divided by average value equal to 1.11, equal to 1.11, equal to 1.11. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next line later. Then RMS value equal to, then RMS value equal to, then RMS value equal to 1.11, RMS value equal to 1.11 into average value, RMS value equal to 1.11 into average value, RMS value equal to 1.11 into average value over
Yes, sir.
Sir.
okay. Next line read therefore RMS value of EMF, therefore RMS value of EMF per turn, RMS value of EMF per turn, RMS value of EMF per turn equal to 1.11 into 1.11 into average EMF per turn, average EMF per turn, average EMF per turn, over
Sir. Yes.
now E equal to 1.11 into E equal to 1.11 into, see average EMF value we have substituted here. It is nothing but 4F phi m. 4F phi m. 4F phi m. Next line write down. Therefore, E equal to, see here 1.11 into 4 is nothing but 4.44. We can write down 4.44 F phi m volts. This one you consider as equation number 3. You write this one in the box. Write it in the box here now. This one you write down as equation number 3 here. Equation number 3 here. So this is common equation. It is per turn we are considering here now. It is not for N1, it is not for N2. This equation is common EMF induced here. It is not applicable for the primary induced EMF or secondary. We are not going to say that one. If we multiply to RHS of this one by N1, then it is will become in EMF induced in the primary winding. If it is multiplied for N2, then it will become secondary induced EMF. So next line you write down. Next line you write down. Now RMS value of induced EMF. Now RMS value of induced EMF in the whole primary is, RMS value of induced EMF in the whole primary is, next line you write down, E1 equal to RMS value of EMF per turn, RMS value of EMF per turn into number of turns in primary. RMS value of EMF per turn into number of turns of primary. Next line, E1 equal to 4.44 F phi m. The same equation I am writing here, 4.44 F phi m, and number of turns in primary is what?
N1.
N1. You multiplied here, N1 is multiplied here. So write this one, E1 equal to 4.44 F phi m, N1 is this one. You write in the box. You write this equation number 4. Equation number 4. Or next line we can write down R or R or R लिखो. इसका बाजू में भी लिख सकते हैं. E1 equal to 4.44 F 4.44 F BMA N1 BMA N1 4.44 F BMA N1 BMA N1. Next line write down because phi m equal to BMA. Phi m equal to BMA. Phi m equal to BMA. Over. Okay. Is it over up to here? Hello? Is it audible or not? Hello? Hello? Any one of you please reply it is audible or not?
सर लैग पड़ता है सर लैग होता है
Lag होता है क्या?
सर लैग हो रहा है सर.
Okay. No problem. Already
लैग हुआ
explanation
लगले सर पूर्ण
is over. You take this one
सर
completely.
लैग होता है
Complete. You write this equation. Now you can check it. Is it audible? Hello?
Yes sir.
Is it audible now? Okay. You complete this one. Similarly, next line you write down similarly, RMS value of EMF induced in secondary equal to similarly RMS value of EMF induced in secondary equal to RMS value of EMF induced in secondary equal to
सर आपकी आवाज लैग हो रही है सर.
कैसे बोलने का अभी I'll log in by mobile, then I will try.
Recording in progress.
Now you check it. Is it audible?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you taken this complete equation up to here? Only one you have taken, I think. Hello, anyone of you reply?
लास्ट इक्वेशन रह गया है।
Okay. Hello. Okay. Similarly, RMS value of EMF induced in secondary equal to RMS value of EMF per turn, RMS value of EMF per turn into number of turns in secondary, number of turns in secondary. Next line, E2 equal to 4.44 F phi m, 4.44 F phi m into N2, 4.44 F phi m into N2, or for R, E2 equal to 4.44 F N2 BMA. See, this BMA is nothing but phi m. We are going to call phi m is nothing but maximum flux. BM is the maximum flux density. A is the cross-sectional area. Yes. So it completes the EMF equation of a single phase transformer here. If you have any doubts, you can ask now. Another 10 minutes time is there. EMF equation is important. Based on this equation, you'll get the problems. We'll discuss 2-3 problems also. Any doubts? किसी को कुछ doubt है?
No, sir.
No. So next thing, I will explain one more thing about that one. I told that one, this transformer is a step down transformer or step up transformer also. So listen here now, transformation ratio, you are going to call that one. Transformation ratio is nothing but K and turns ratio is A here now. So you leave this A also. Only you will consider the transformation ratio, will consider here. Listen carefully. Don't take this one, you just listen here. So we know that the induced EMF in the primary and secondary here now. We know the formula for E1 and E2. E1 equal to 4.44 phi m F N1 and E2 equal to 4.44 phi m F N2 here now. So what is the common term is there here? This is 4.44 phi m F is common. Here 4.44 phi m F is common here now. Only difference is N1 and N2. Yes. The number
Yes,
of
sir.
turns in the primary is different. Number of turns in the secondary is different. So from the equation number 1 and 2 means the EMF induced in the primary and EMF induced in the secondary. From these two equations, dividing E2 and E1, E2 by E1, we can write that one. E2 equation you write down here, E2 by E1, LHS side, E2 by E1. RHS side, this 4.44 phi m F N2 divided by 4.44 phi m F N1. So this is the common term gets cancelled here now. N2 by N1 is left now term. The term
Yes, sir.
left is N2 by N1 here now. So E2 by E1 equal to N2 by N1 we can write down here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So E2 is EMF induced. Induced EMF in secondary, induced EMF the primary is E1 here now. We can call that one EMF induced is nothing but voltage only, na? EMF is nothing but.
Yes, sir.
So practically E1 is approximately equal to V1 and E2 is approximately equal to V2. So EMF induced in the secondary is E2 we are going to call. EMF is nothing but voltage. So whatever the output voltage is, that is V2. The supply voltage is V1 here now. So from this equation we can write down E2 by E1 equal to V2 by V1 equal to N2 by N1. We can write like this.
Yes, sir.
So this is called voltage ratio we are going to call here. This is the voltage ratio. Next one, the transformation ratio and turns ratio only we have called here now. Then the primary power, what is the formula for power? Product of voltage and current we are going to call. With power factor also, this cos pi will remove here now, cos pi will become 1 only for both the places. We can write that one. In the primary also voltage and current is there. Primary supply voltage we are giving, that is V1. And because of that V1, I1 is flowing.
Yes, sir.
So we can tell that one the input power is V1 I1.
Yes, sir.
And similarly, if the EMF is induced in the secondary, means in the secondary the output voltage V2 is coming,
Yes, sir.
then I2 is also there.
Yes, sir.
So V2 I2 we can write down for the secondary.
Yes, sir.
So we can, the transformer definition is it should have to transfer electrical power from one place to another place, or one circuit to another circuit. Yes, the power will become same power it is transferring from one circuit to the another circuit. So according to that, V2 I2 equal to V1 I1 we can write down.
Yes, sir.
V2 I2 equal to V1 I1. So from this one V2 you keep here only. V1 I will send into LHS side, it will become V2 by V1. I2 I will send into RHS side, it will become I1 by I2. Yes. We can write like this.
Yes, sir.
So previous equation you observe here, it was E2 by E1 equal to V2 by V1 equal to N2 by N1. Here V2 by V1 equal to what it is?
I1 upon I2.
I1 upon I2 here now. So E2 by E1 equal to V2 by V1 equal to N2 by N1 equal to I1 by I2 equal to K. K is nothing but transformation ratio. This K is nothing but transformation ratio. We are going to call that one. Yes. Suppose instead of E2 by E1, if I want to write E1 by E2 equal to here now. E1 by E2 likha maine idhar. What it will become now?
V1 by V2.
Next.
N1 by N2.
Next.
I2 by I1.
Very good. Here I we have to write down here now. Equal to
1 by K.
1 by K here now. We can write like this also here now. So this K is the transformation ratio we are going to consider here now. If it is K is greater than 1, then it is called a step up transformer here now. K is greater than 1. How I will tell that one? If number of turns in the secondary is greater than primary, means that is step up. I have already told. Yes. Here, suppose hundreds are there. Here 90 are there. Secondary is greater than primary. So obviously the
Yes,
K will get to more than one answer.
Yes, sir.
So that is, if K is greater than 1, then N2 is greater than N1. So the transformer is called as step up transformer. If K is less than 1, then N2 is less than N1. So transformer is called as step down transformer. If K equal to 1, then n2 equal to n. Actually, that is ideal. We are going to call ideal transformer or null transformer. We are going to call that one here. So this is the transformation ratio of single phase transformer. I'll dictate this one in the next class. Once again, I will explain and I'll dictate that one. 46 students are present. Roll number 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
Present है क्या? Last में है क्या number? Okay, I will note down from here only. कौन कौन present है ना उसका देख के लिख देता हूँ.